Hi, I'm Are, welcome to my video. Now I will show you how to resize the image on different aspect ratio. For this process I will use Gimp because it's a free tool and it has everything the same as Photoshop or similar tools. And you can use it in Windows, Linux or Mac. First, start Gimp and open the image in it. I'm gonna show you two ways how to open image in Gimp. First is drag and drop image in Gimp application, and second is to go to File, Open, and find image in your file system. To position image on screen, hold Control button and mouse wheel, and then go to Tools, Transform Tools, and click on Crop. You have chosen Crop tool. Choose this box as checked, and choose your aspect ratio. I want maybe for full HD wallpaper. I choose 16:9. Enter, then choose rectangle on your screen and stretch your rectangle in image. As you can see, it is 16:9 aspect ratio rectangle. When you choose position of this rectangle, click just enter, and now you have new resized image on your chosen aspect ratio. Everything you have to do now is go on File, Export as. This is the extension is okay. We export. Go to export again, and now you have new photo with new aspect ratio. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave comment below. Hit that like and subscribe button, and goodbye.